So these are the motors that we are using today on this particular job. This is a German company that we are using. The brand is called Forest. These motors do carry up somewhere around 110 pounds, so they are extra heavy duty. What's really great about these motors, they have a few functions that really work quite well. Number one, it's the antenna. And number two, you also have the Ethernets right here, as well as what we are going to do is that these are just simply come in with this particular device here that you can just simply plug in. And in addition to that, then you are going to have another wire that is going to come in and gets plugged in to the back of this. This is how they are going to be put up. We're going to go ahead and mount these on the wall, but we are going to go ahead and cut the wire off, and then we're going to go ahead and hardwire it, because this is going to be a switch on the wall. In addition to that, we're also going to have a remote control. They are really easy to put up, and they're just going to go ahead and, as you can see the teeth right here, they're just going to click right into the motor, and I'm going to show you how that's done. All the motors comes with the plug. However, though, since we are hardwiring, I have went ahead and split this up. I also brought some wire nuts, and I'm going to go ahead and just hook these up and hardwire them on the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and hardwire these together, and all I do is just simply use a wire nut by putting the two of the wires together. Make sure your electricity is off 100%, and there it is. May I get another wire nut? Thank you. These motors do not need to have a ground since they are double, and so I'm just going to go ahead and put this on there for the sake of safety. And then afterwards, I do recommend taping these up to make sure that everything is covered, and we're going to go ahead and do that. The tape will help having it all wrapped up and make sure that there is no shortage of whatsoever. It's ready to go now. It's all one piece, and we're going to go ahead and put up the motor, and we'll continue. It's always a good idea to have one of these with you. This actually allows me to go ahead and put the wires in, and puts it in place. And it gives you really a nice clean job in that matter, so you don't have to worry about the wire going anywhere. This particular one is used for cables only. It has this nice groove in the middle of it that allows you to go over the wires.